Hello friends, I hope you are doing great. Once again, you are most welcome in my YouTube channel Wide Loop Robotech and Automation. Today we are going to learn how to connect Raspberry Pi board with the smartphone and computer without using LAN cable. So let us get started step by step. This is Raspberry Pi board and this is LAN cable. LAN cable is connected with system and this is power supply. Power supply is connected with board. I have connected this cable because we need IP address. So once we will get IP address, then I will remove this cable. Okay. So let us see. So first of all, I'll open Putty software. One thing, if you have not installed this software, so you should install. So we need two software, one Putty and another one is VNC Viewer. If you have not installed this software, so you should install. I will provide you link in description box so you can easily download from there. So first of all, I'll open Putty. And I will enter here Raspberry Pi dot local and open. Here we need login ID, so it is Pi and password is, so by default password of Raspberry Pi is RASPBERRY. okay, I think wrong password, so I will enter again. Okay, so we need IP address, so I will type here host name minus capital I. Okay, this is IP address. I will copy this and now we will open VNC Viewer and I will paste here that IP address and enter. User ID of Raspberry Pi, it is Pi, and password again. By default password of Raspberry Pi is Raspberry. Okay, so first of all we need to connect this Raspberry Pi board with Wi-Fi. So this is my Wi-Fi int main. I will connect by using password is okay. Now this board has been connected with my Wi-Fi device. So I will again open here terminal and I will type again host name. So now here it is showing two IP address, so we need second one. I will copy this and close. So now I will close this window. Okay, and now I will remove this LAN. We totally no need this LAN. Okay, there is no connection between board and computer. Now I will paste here that IP address. Oh, this is not that IP address. I think there was not copied. So I have remembered that IP address. I will type manually. So that is 192.168.0.102. Okay, it is asking username Pi and password. Wow, great. You can see there is no LAN connection with system and Raspberry Pi board. Here it is connected with our system. So it is connected with Wi-Fi and you can browse here. Okay friends, so I hope you understood this, how to connect with system. Now I will show you how to connect with the smartphone. This is my mobile phone. I will open Play Store and I will search here VNC Viewer and install this. Okay, so open, next, 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 and get started. Press on plus button and here enter IP address. So IP address is 192.168.0.102 and name is Pi. Create and connect. And continue. It is asking password and username, so Pi and okay and continue. Wow. Next. What is this? Okay, so this is user interface with mobile phone. I will show you. As you can see, cursor is moving and open here browser and you can open here YouTube and I will type here YouTube and click on YouTube. Okay, so I will close this. Here you can see this is terminal command and this is menu. Okay, and you can see we can use simultaneously with system and mobile phone. It is connected with my system and it is connected with my mobile phone. If I will drag on my mobile phone, then you can see here it is showing on my system. Okay, so friends, I hope you understood this, how to connect with a smartphone and laptop without using LAN cable. If you like this video, so you can support me on PayPal. My PayPal account is given in description box. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.